Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Monday, 25th July. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 24 karats gold, 1 gram price is 204.13 without VAT, and with VAT is 214.34. 22 karats gold, 1 gram price is 187.39 without VAT, and with VAT it is 196.76. 21 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 178.61 and with VAT is 187.54. 18 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 153.10 and with VAT is 160.76. 14 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 119.42 and with VAT is 125.39. 10 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 85.12 and with VAT is 89.38. 6 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 51.03 and with VAT is 53.58. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in the UAE is 5%. I hope you'll find this information useful. And if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.